When historic floods devastated our communities, CARE couldn't wait. Homes were lost, roads washed away, but our mission stayed the same. Caring for our neighbors, no matter what.
Our mission that we're on is making sure that our patients have all medications, that they have food, their utilities are on, and an important component is how are they coping, how is their mental health.
When the floodwaters rose, the need for healthcare didn't disappear, it grew. So our team found new ways to reach patients. With borrowed resources and helping hands, we took healthcare on the road. We met patients where they were, in driveways, parking lots, and shelters.
We went everywhere and we touched lots of lives. We got people resources they couldn't get. So that right there made our job easier and it ministered to our people.
That first mobile medical unit became more than a vehicle. It became a lifeline, a place of care, comfort, and hope in a time of loss. And from that experience came an idea. That access to care shouldn't depend on weather, distance, or circumstance. It should find you, wherever you are. That idea inspired something bigger.
We're here with Direct Relief, and we were invited by Frontera to share some news with you all.
Yep.
Great.
So we are with the emergency response team, and we're very pleased to announce that Direct Relief will be awarding Frontera $175,000 for your mobile medical unit.
When our friends at Direct Relief heard Renee's story and saw the heart this team poured into serving rural communities, they decided to make that idea a reality. For Renee, whose own home was lost in the floods, this moment came full circle. From devastation to hope, from help received to help renewed.
Our community, we come together, we support each other, and we do whatever it takes to take care of each other. We're very resilient, and I don't know when and I don't know how, but I know we'll come back from this one. We will. We will.
Now, Frontera Healthcare will have a mobile medical unit of its own, ready to bring care to the people who need it most. In rural Texas, access to care means everything. This mobile unit represents resilience, compassion, and the promise that healthcare will always find its way home. Because every patient deserves access to care, no matter how rural the road.